A region is made of 24 unit squares, each 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, arranged in a symmetric step diamond shape. What is the area, in square centimeters, of the largest circle that fits inside the region, possibly touching the boundaries? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the region, built from 24 unit squares. It is symmetric, left to right and top to bottom. Because the shape is symmetric, the largest circle must be centered at the very middle of the region. As the circle grows, it is stopped by the inner notch corners of the staircase, the reentrant corners closest to the center. Look at one of them. It sits 1 unit across and 2 units up from the center. Its distance from the center is the square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared, which is the square root of 5. So the largest circle has radius the square root of 5, touching all 8 nearest notch corners at once. The area is pi times the radius squared, pi times the square root of 5 squared, which is 5 pi square centimeters.